Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Icemaker assembly in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a short flat blade screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new Icemaker assembly. The automatic Icemaker is designed to produce and eject the half-moon ice cubes. If there are no ice cubes, check your Icemaker and replace it if needed. Get to the top of the fridge. Lift off the cover and pull up the Icemaker water inlet tube bulb. Open the door, press the release button on the side and slide out the ice bin. Put it aside. Locate the small slot on the left in the center of the cover plate. Insert the flat blade screwdriver inside for about 3/4 inch at approximately 10 o'clock and press the blade down to push on the locking tab inside. Slide the cover panel towards you to remove it. It will look like this. Insert the screwdriver into the slot and push down on this tab. With the cover off, using the flat blade screwdriver, push out the tab on the left side of the Icemaker, or you can use your finger, and pull the whole assembly out for approximately halfway. Using the flat blade screwdriver, press the locking tab and disconnect the wire plug. Slide out the Icemaker and the attached mechanisms. Let's place it on a workable surface. Using the flat blade screwdriver, take off the Icemaker head cover. Unplug the bypass jumper. Using the flat blade screwdriver, press the locking tab and remove the Icemaker wire plug. Turn the whole assembly over and using the 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the 3 screws and separate the Icemaker from the base. Take the Icemaker fuse out of the clip. With the flat blade screwdriver, push down the tab at the back of the water inlet funnel and remove it from the old Icemaker. And one more thing we need to do. Using the flat blade screwdriver, prise the Icemaker arm out of the head and release it from the rear support. Put the arm and the funnel aside. This is the old Icemaker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the one end of the arm into the slot in the Icemaker head and the other end into the hole in the cup. Push it in all the way. Before installing the new Icemaker, first mount the water inlet funnel by positioning it in the cup and pressing down to lock in. It can go in only one way. Place the new Icemaker on the base. Snap the Icemaker fuse under the clip. Insert the wire plug. Turn it over and secure to the base with the 3/4-inch screws. Install the jumper plug, Route the harness under the dome and close the head cover. Let's get back to the fridge. Place the harness out of the way. Install the assembly on the rails and slide it back just so it stays on. Connect the wire plug. Make sure the Icemaker switch is turned on and slide the Icemaker all the way in. The clip on the left should lock. Install the side cover and push it back to lock. Install the ice bin. And then close the door. Get to the top of the fridge and push in the Icemaker water inlet line. Close the cover and plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.